Hi everyone, I am finally getting the chance to open the bag that I got last week. I was on Instagram and all of a sudden I started getting advertising for this bag. And I fell in love with it. I thought this was great for my job. I carry a lot of things. I have to travel from location to location. And the bag that I'm using now is just not working. This bag is from a company called White Elm. They're vegan leather. So I'm excited to try something I've never used. I'll put all the information below, but I don't think you can see this. But yeah, that's the company. Let me put the packing slip away. Oh my goodness. Okay, the bag comes. Let me put this down. The bag comes in this black, I think it's called dust bag. With gold, it has gold strings. Okay, that was my dog, I'm sorry. He barks at anything that walks by the window. Okay, so let's get ready to open it. Okay, I ordered the black one and I see a white background and I'm like, did they get my order wrong? Let me put this down. Sorry for all the noise. Very well packaged. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Has a little tassel in the front pocket, zippered front pocket. Oh, it smells so good. It has pockets on the side. I love this aqua lining. Pockets on the side, perfect for my water bottle that I take to work. I have it there so I cannot get it. Another pocket. Then the back, this is what drew me to it. Because the bag, I'm using a Michael Kors bag now. When I go to work, I take like I don't know what's called, but it's like a luggage, like a computer luggage. Because I take my work laptop and other things that I need for work. And I was wrapping around the handle of the luggage. I was putting my Michael Kors bag and the handles were peeling. And I saw that this bag has a pocket in the back with like a magnetic closure and a zipper at the bottom. So in the bottom it has a zipper. Then if you want to use it for what I do to put it around my luggage, I open the zipper and there you go. So I think, even if it peels because of going around the luggage, at least it'll be hidden. It won't be on the handles that everyone is going to see that my bag is peeling. So that was what drew me to it. So it has two handles. Let me see if I could open it. It has a computer sleeve, laptop sleeve. Let's see if I can do this without losing. It has two pockets. No, here. Two pockets here. Those are big pockets. Another one. It has a tassel with a little hook to maybe hang your keychains. Or your keys, not keychains, your keys. That's something I'm going to use for sure. Because I'm always struggling trying to find my keys inside my work bag. It has this with elastic. I'm trying to get it in camera. It has this pocket with elastic at the top. Oh, 3 pockets. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3. this is the shoulder strap. Very spacious. That fits a lot. I might do a video once I start filling it up with all my work stuff. I'm not sure yet. Okay, another thing that drew me to it is that this bag, the shoulder strap could be made. I have to follow their instructions, so I'm not going to do that now because I haven't watched any videos on how to do it. But this strap that goes from here to here to put it across your body. This strap can be used to make this bag with these hooks right here into a backpack. I mean, what more can I ask? This is great. I have to watch a video to see how to do it. Let's see if I remember. Because I think you're supposed to stretch it out completely. I'm not just going to guess. I think, was it like this? And then you will go like this. Maybe I shouldn't try this without following instructions. No. Oh, no. Yes. It was something like that. Hold on. I have to put it through the hook. Was it? And then I go like this. Ah, yes. There you go. Okay, there you go. I think I'm figuring it out without looking for it online. Okay. So it's something like this. It is user error. Not the bag's fault. I'm trying to, there you go. Okay. I think this is the way it goes. And then I hook this one here. I hope you can still see it in the video. Yes, you can. And I hook this one here. And there you go. Oh, let me close it. There was my dog barking again. There you go. It is a backpack. This is genius. Okay. So I wanted to share this. I'm gonna maybe record a video, oh my God, putting all my work things inside. So you can see how big it is, but it feels really nice. I've never had anything that is vegan leather. I love it. This is great. So there you go. This is my unboxing of my white Elm vegan leather bag. I think this model is called Gemini. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it correctly. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe, like, share. And I'll see if I could come back with another video to show you how much I could fit inside my new work bag. Thank you for watching and see you next time.